Hello, and thanks for becoming part of the Brood family. Today, we're going to tell you about the Drinks Nitro machine, how to set it up, how to use it, and finally, how to clean it. Before we get started, make sure your drinks machine has been upright for at least 12 hours. So if you haven't already, just let it sit and come back to it later. The first step is to assemble the tap handle, which easily screws on. Next, connect the tubes. Start at the back and connect the machine to the beverage container. If your container doesn't have a spout, just drop the tube in the top. Pour in your beverage of choice, and you're good to go. With your drinks machine set up, let's put it to use. On the lower back side of the machine, turn the main power switch on. For a Nitro drink, pull the tap all the way down. And just like that, you've got Nitro cold brew. Right here is the knob that lets you turn the Nitro on or off. Clockwise for Nitro, counterclockwise for still. When the container runs out, the pump will stop, and the on-off switch will flash red after a minute. Fill it back up, turn the pump off, then on again to reset, and you're ready for more Nitro. All right, it's been a long week at work. You've poured a ton of Nitro cold brews, and now you need to give it its weekly clean. First, fill your beverage container with water and pull the tap, letting it run through the machine. Next, fill the container with a mix of water and cleaning solution. DRNX is the best one we've found. Pull the tap again and let the solution flush through. And while you're at it, remove the tap nozzle and give that a clean as well. Finally, we'll do one last flush with water to get the cleaner out. Screw the tap nozzle on, and your drinks machine is ready for another week.